Welcome to you all in my YouTube channel Experience Maths. Today I am going to teach you logarithm. Logarithm is necessary for science students to learn physics. So before starting, I want you to subscribe my channel and press bell icon so that I will be encouraged to make similar type of videos in coming days. So let's begin today's topics. So before starting logarithm, we need to know about exponential function. Exponential function. A function f from a real number to set of real number to set of real number defined by y equals to fx equals to a to the power x. X belongs to set of real number r for a given real number a bigger than 0 is known as exponential function. This is known as exponential. Here this a has exponent x. X belongs to real number, so it has exponent, so the name is the exponential function. Example of the exponential functions are fx equals to 2 to the power x, fx equals to 1 over 2 to the power x, fx equals to e to the power x. These are the example of the exponential function where e equals to limit n approaches to infinity 1 plus 1 over n power is n. So this is the expression for e. This limiting value gives the value of e. Its value lies between 2 and 3. Its value is 2.718281, something like that. You need not remember the value of e because calculator gives the value of e directly. Okay, so this is a special type of function fx equal to e to the power x, and this exponential function knowledge helps us to define logarithmic function. Logarithmic function. If a function f from r to r defined by a set of real number to real number defined by y equals to fx equals to ax, x belongs to r, defines an exponential function. Exponential function for a real number a bigger than 0, then its inverse defined by x equals to a to the power y is known as a logarithmic function. Okay, so here replacing y by x and x by y, x to the power a to the power y, it is known as the logarithmic function. x to the power a to the power y, a to the power y carries the same meaning as y equals to log of x to the base a, which is read as logarithm of x to the base a. This is read as logarithm of x to the base a. So its meaning is a raised to the power y equals to x. So this logarithm was used to speed up the calculation when the calculator was not invented, and in many derivations of physics this logarithm is used, and we also need the properties of the logarithm. And here logarithm of x to the base a, its value is y, and suppose we have to find out the logarithm of any number. Logarithm of, suppose 1 we have to find out. Here base is a, so a raised to the power how much is 1? So that is the value of logarithm 1. So a raised to the power how much is 1? A raised to the power 0 is 1, so logarithm of 1 value is 0. Similarly, logarithm of 1 with base e is also 0, because e raised to the power 0 value is 1. Similarly, logarithm of 100 to the base 10, its value is 10 raised to the power, how much is 100? 10 raised to the power 2 is 100, so logarithm of 100 to the base 10 is 2. So logarithm to the base e is sometimes denoted by logarithm of x to the base e. It is denoted by ln only also. It is denoted by ln of x. So logarithm of any number with base 10 simply written as logarithm of x, log x only in calculator, but in book this log x meaning is, if base is not mentioned, log x meaning will be log with base e. Okay, so in calculator log with base e is written as ln of x. So I hope that this knowledge of logarithmic functions and exponential function is helpful to everybody. Now I am going to explain some properties of logarithmic functions, and here the main thing you have to care is that logarithm of only here this one positive number is defined. So log of x with base a is written, so this x must always be positive, because here this a is positive number any power, no power of positive number gives us a negative number, so here x can't be negative, so logarithm of negative number is not defined, because here this meaning and this meaning is same, and here no any power of a will make x negative, so here a is always positive, so this x is also always positive. So now I will explain some properties of logarithm. Properties of logarithmic function. First of all, for a positive numbers x, y and a. For a positive number x, y and a, log of x to the base a y equals to log of x with base a times log of y with base a. That means this logarithm changes its product into the sum. Okay, so log of x, y, its product changes into the sum, log of x plus log of y to the same base a. And now I will show the proof of this any1, and remaining I will write without proof. Let log of x to the base a equals to m, log of y to the base a equals to, say, the sum of m. Then as I have already explained that x to the power a to the power y carries the same meaning as y equal to log of x to the base a. So here its meaning is a raised to the power y equal to x. So here also its meaning will be a to the power m equals to x. Then a to the power m equals to x equals to a to the power m, and here y equals to a to the power n. Now let us find the product of these two. X times y will be, x value from here is a to the power m, and y value from here is a to the power n. And now this implies xy equals to a to the power m plus n. So this and this meaning is same. So using this meaning, here what we can write is, it implies log of xy with base a equals to m plus n. Therefore, log of xy with base a equals to m value we can returning the value of m, that is m value is from here log of x with base a plus value of n from here is log of y with base a. In this way we have this important property of logarithm proved in this way. Similarly, I will show next proof for the positive numbers x, y and a, that quotient changes into a difference. Property number 2, for positive numbers x, y and a, log of x over y with base a equals to log of x with base a minus log of y with base a. So here this quotient changes into the difference. We have this another property, and third property is for a positive number, for positive numbers x and a, log of x with base a power p equals to p log of x with base a. This power comes as the coefficient. Okay, this is another property of the logarithmic function. So where p is any real number, where p is any real number, and next property is that is also known as the change of base. Log of x with base a equals to log of a with log of b with base a, log of x with base B, where A, B and X are positive numbers, where A, B and X are positive numbers. Okay, so this property is also known as change of base. Okay, so these are 4 important properties of the logarithm, and if you have the knowledge of these important properties of logarithm, then it will be quite helpful in the derivation of thermodynamics in physics and in some physical chemistry problems as well. I hope that this video is helpful to everybody. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon so that I will be present with new similar type of videos. Thank you very much.